What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Benqi, which has hit a huge green candlestick guys, which can only mean one thing: it has pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.03481 cents and has pumped up quite a bit guys. So we're going to be looking at why did they go for a sudden pump in value, what is next for the crypto, is it going to keep pumping, potentially heading past 5 cents over the coming hours and days, and covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is now the right time to buy it, is it too late, is it time to sell it if you're on a profit, or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially hitting 5, 6, 7 cents later on this month or over the next couple of months as well. So we are going to cover its prediction over the long term in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, especially that we are at a very critical point right now. We have broken out into the dark green zone, so its next target would be to either drop down into the green zone or literally just break out into the top tier level of the dark green zone and blue zone as well. But we'll get into all of that stuff very soon. So for now, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Benqi, which is here in purple at just over 2 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over 0.036 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are indeed looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting Benqi to have taken a little bit of a step back down in value, potentially trading just above 3 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to drop down to. However, over the next few hours, it is likely to carry on hitting green candles, getting closer to the 4 cents target, and then potentially hitting red candles in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, making the crypto trade at a lower value than where it is at the moment, dropping down to just above 3 cents in value is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, once again we are still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. So this is again not as realistic as it seems due to the fact of how steep it's looking. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm again expecting Benqi to have dropped back down to around below 3 cents in value is what I'm expecting. So going for a little bit of a price correction is where I'm expecting Benqi to be trading down to. As you guys can see, it's still pumping up right now, getting very close to the 4 cents target. But as I mentioned, I'm only expecting that for the next couple of hours before it starts to drop back down. Anyways, by mid next week, I'm expecting it to drop down to below 3 cents in value. Now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, again, with the blue line is still looking too steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and the orange line also is looking quite steep as well. So once again, this is again not as realistic guys due to how steep it's looking. So the 30-minute chart, hourly chart and the daily chart all are looking too steep to be realistic. So by late April, early May, I am expecting Benqi to have gone for an overall increase in value, potentially getting closer to the 5 cents target is where I'm expecting it to be trading towards to. Reason for that is, first of all, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market. And as you guys can see here, Benqi has pumped up quite a bit. So over the coming week or two, I'm expecting it to go for a price correction, potentially dropping down to just below 2 cents and then slowly starting to gain value for most of April and May, heading towards the 5 cents target is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, if there are any major changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we can see that the value of Benqi has literally broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone here without any resistance, which means the crypto is slightly overvalued and is currently not sustainable. That is why I did predict it to drop back down around the 3 cents target over the coming 12 to 14 hours, so that it does drop back down into the green zone, because right now from the analysis and predictions that I have done, it is slightly overvalued and I'm expecting it to drop back down to where it was before, which is the green zone. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 758% in the last 24 hours, making it $121 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious. It is the top or the second top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, so it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning there's a lot more traction around it and more people have been trading the crypto, which in return is also helping the value of Benqi pump up even higher. Over the week 90% up, guys, and over the month a massive 120%, but clearly most of the pump has come from the last 24 hours. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Benqi, guys. Can this crypto potentially hit the 10 cents target in 2024? Yes, it potentially could. Towards end of Q3, beginning of Q4 of 2024 is when I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering around the 10 cents target. However, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, so if there are any updates to that, I will let you guys know. And also, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting Benqi to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.